Hi, Paloozies. Let's talk about the clinical ladder workshop. People always ask me when I throw it out, because I talk about it so much, whether it's in an in-person conference or an lemonade. I talk about the clinical and administrative ladder program. The ladder programs, they are amazing. They were developed from my company, ADC Pediatric Therapy, years ago when we had some exit interviews and teammates were saying, I just don't see where I can grow in this company. So this is a recruiting tool. We know how much help we need with recruiting, right? This is a recruiting tool. It's a way for you to show your team how and where to grow. This isn't just for a therapist, it's for your administrators too. So you need this ladder program in your company so you can define the ideal employee, the ideal teammate for your company, so you can teach them how to learn and grow in the direction that you want them to. That's what the program is about. You defining, what is my ideal administrative person? What's my ideal therapist? You define it, you break it down into ladder levels, and you promote it to your team. And we will teach you how to define it. You will write it during this workshop, and we'll talk about how to promote it to your team so that it gets in, it stays in, and you grow an amazing team. Cheering you on. Don't miss it. Get your tickets now.